Hours after officials warned that it was spewing out life-threatening toxic gas, Iceland's latest volcanic eruption is slowing, experts said on Tuesday. Matthew Roberts is the managing director of the Service and Research Division at the Icelandic Meteorological Office.
Since the eruption began yesterday, there's been a progressive decrease in the amount of lava being emitted, which means that the hazards close to the eruption site now seem to be less. There's a good opportunity now to visit the site, to view it aerially, and to assess exactly what's happened overnight.
Tuesday's aerial footage of the eruption showed that the fissure had shortened, lava flow had slowed, and the gas plume was smaller, according to a professor of geophysics at the University of Iceland. Gas pollution remained high and dangerous around the eruption, according to the Icelandic Met Office.
The dangers to public health and to human life are acute very close to the eruption site. So for tourists, for people that want to visit the area and sightsee, weather conditions need to be taken into account because it's the dominant wind direction dictates where volcanic gas is drifted.
Air quality in the Reykjavik area was still considered very good or good, according to the Environmental Agency's website. The eruption followed intense seismic activity over the past few days.
Remarkably, this is the third volcanic eruption on the Reykjanes Peninsula in just 2 years. We seem to have entered into a new eruptive cycle here in southwest Iceland. The peninsula hasn't been active in many, many centuries, volcanically active. Now we're in this new period where it seems that magma from great depth is reaching the Earth's surface with remarkable frequency. These events have been preluded by seismic activity, swarms of earthquakes, many of which have been felt, and this is now a repeating cycle of activity.
Flights into and out of Iceland have not been disrupted.
Şu an çekimlere devam ediyorum. Gece yarısı oldu. 12 geç saat 1'e yaklaşıyor. Hava tam burada kapanma yapıyorsunuz. Aydınlık hala. Çok güzel çekimler yapıyorum. Yatabilirim bile. Hatta yatayım. Bunu da yapmadı demez. Uyursam uyandım.